Cost, price, and value. These are three distinct terms that often catch out quantity surveyors early in their careers. However, being able to distinguish them is vital. So in this video, I'm going to break it down into simple terms. Cost is what the contractor pays for completing the works, the labour, plant, materials and overheads. It's the contractor's actual spend. Let's say you're building a small brick boundary wall. The materials, labour and equipment all add up to a cost of £1,650. This is the total amount of money the contractor will pay to complete the works. Price is the amount a contractor charges for carrying out the works, usually based on the anticipated cost plus an allowance for profit and risk. Take that same wall, for example. The contractor adds 20% to cover profit and risk and quotes just under £2,000. But here's the thing, the price isn't fixed by the cost. Ask 3 contractors to quote for the same wall on the same day and you'll get 3 different prices. One wants the works and submits a competitive price at £1,850. Another is at £2,400. Same wall, different prices. It's not just the anticipated cost that affects the price. It's also how each contractor reads the market, assesses the risk, and decides how much they want the job. The cost is what the contractor will pay. The price is what they will receive for completing the works. And the difference between the price and cost is the contractor's margin. If you're working on a cost reimbursable contract, the price will increase or decrease depending on the cost. If you're working on a fixed price or lump sum contract, the price is fixed and the risk of cost fluctuations sit with the contractor. Value. This is the one people sometimes get wrong. Value isn't the cost and it isn't the full price. Value is the amount that the completed work is worth under the contract at a specific date. Let's use the wall as an example. The agreed price is £2,000 for the finished job. You turn up at the end of day 1 and the wall is half built. The value of work done is roughly £1,000. The wall isn't finished, so the contractor hasn't earned the full price. That's exactly what happens in an interim valuation. On larger projects, the QS measures what has actually been completed up to the valuation date and assesses its value under the contract. The cost is what the contractor spends. The price is what the client agrees to pay. The value is the assessed amount of work completed at a particular point in time. It's worth noting that value can have another meaning in construction, which you'll see used for things like value management or value engineering. In that context, value means benefit relative to cost, i.e. getting the most function or performance for the money spent. It's about making smart design and specification decisions. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.